So Infinix Note 40 Pro, this mobile is a huge blow up in this segment of 22,000 rupees. So let's talk about this mobile in this video. First of all, this mobile comes with a 6.78 inches of AMOLED display, and it is a 120Hz refresh supported Corning Gorilla Glass Victus protected 1 billion color supported display, and it also a 1300 nit peak brightness display. When we talk about the processor, this mobile comes with a MediaTek Dimensity 7020, which is a 6nm based 5G octa-core processor. When we talk about the 5G, yes, it does comes with 13 5G bands. And this mobile also comes with a huge cameras, like for the rear it comes with the triple cameras, 108 megapixels of main wide angle camera, 2 megapixels of ultra wide angle, and 2 megapixels third camera. For the front, it comes with a 32 megapixels of front facing selfie camera. When we talk about this mobile's huge thing, that is this mobile's battery. Yes, not also battery but also charging features, which we'll discuss in this video. This mobile comes with a 5000 milliamps of huge battery, and it supports 45 watts of fast charge through wire, but that's not it. It supports 20 watts of MagSafe wireless charge, and it also supports reverse wireless charge. Yes. And unfortunately, this mobile doesn't have any IP68 water and dust resistance. It is also And when we talk about this mobile's other features, like this mobile comes with a Android version 14 out of the box with the Infinix latest OA US. And this mobile also comes with a stereo speakers but no 3.5mm jack, as always, like all the mobiles. And this mobile comes with a plastic back and plastic frame and front glass. When we talk about this mobile's box contents, it comes with a mobile itself, TPU case, cable, and also a charger, and also some quick start guides and SIM ejector tool and some other warranty cards and stuff like that. This mobile is also comes with Wi-Fi 6, dual band Wi-Fi support, and Bluetooth 5.3, 5.2, and also NFC. This mobile, even though it comes in a low budget, but this mobile doesn't skip any sensors. This mobile has all the sensors like accelerometer, gyroscope, and compass. Every sensor, this mobile has every sensor. And when we talk about this mobile availability, this mobile is available in only one variant until now, that is 8GB RAM and 256GB internal storage. Now these are UFS 2.2 storage capacity along with the LPDDR4 RAM types. And this mobile will be available in two colors, green and gold. I will leave a link to buy this mobile in the description box down below, so you can directly buy it from there. By the way, I have also made a lot of videos about the mobiles previously, so I will leave a link to those in the description box down below, as well as here in this iCard section, so you can directly go and watch them from there. So this is all about the mobile, and that's it for the video, and thanks for watching.